Dear students, you must have heard the story of Krishna and Sudama. They were very good friends, and their friendship is known all over the world. Today, we shall study the chapter introducing a new friend. This chapter is related to two friends, Raman and Mukesh. Raman and Mukesh, who were friends, they got a new friend whose name was Abhishek. Actually, Raman came to meet Mukesh and he asked when he saw a person with him, then he asked Mukesh, who is with you? I have never seen him. Then Mukesh replies, he is my friend Abhishek, he is my fast friend as you are. And Raman becomes very glad to meet Abhishek. Both introduced themselves. They tell that Mukesh is, Raman says that Mukesh is his fast friend and you are his friend. So you are also my friend. In this way, they three persons became friends. After that, the introduction started. Then it was asked that where are you from? They asked the Abhishek that from where Abhishek is from. Then Abhishek says, I am from Varanasi. Actually, Abhishek is from Varanasi and Mukesh. Mukesh and Raman both are from Patna. After that, they discuss about Varanasi. Varanasi, which is a very famous place and it is an important place. As you know, it is also a historical place. There are many temples which are very famous in Varanasi. Those are Baba Vishwanath Temple and Sankat Mochan Temple. Varanasi is also famous for Banaras Hindu University. And as you know, Banaras Hindu University was founded by Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya. In this way, these friends discuss about Varanasi, about their friendship, and they want to know each other. Actually, they discuss much about the qualities of Varanasi or about the places famous in Varanasi, which are Sankat Mochan Temple, Baba Vishwanath Temple, and Banaras Hindu University. They discuss about whether they have bathed in Ganga or not, and it was said that they have bathed in Ganga. They also plan to visit Varanasi. Raman says that I'll plan to visit Varanasi with my parents, and Abhishek says that you must come there with your family, and if I am there, it will be good for you. They also ask that where is Raman from, and Raman says that he is from Patna and they live in Patna. Their house is Patna, and in this way their introduction is finished, and they are fortunate to get a new friend. They thank each other. Actually, this story is a conversation in which three friends or three persons are talking about each other. First Raman says, Mukesh, who is with you? I have never seen him before. Mukesh says, he is my friend Abhishek. He is my first friend as you are. Raman says, nice to meet you Abhishek. And Abhishek also says, nice to meet you. Raman says, Mukesh is my first friend. You are his friend. So you are also my friend. And Abhishek says, of course, you are my friend as Mukesh is my friend. And after that, their introduction starts. Raman asks, where are you from? Then he says, I am from Varanasi. You can see the picture of Varanasi. Actually, Abhishek is from Varanasi, but presently he is living in Patna. Patna, which is also a very famous place in Bihar. So presently he is living in Patna. Then Raman asks, do you live at nearby Mukesh? Then Abhishek says, yes, I am living there. And Abhishek says that I am living just beside the residence of Mukesh. And after that, they discuss about Varanasi. And when they discuss, they say that it is an important place, it is a historical place, it is a religious place. Varanasi is very old city, and they are very happy to know that he is from there and Varanasi is in our country. Abhishek also says it is very famous as Baba Vishwanath temple is famous there. Okay, and Sankat Mochan temple. You can see the picture of Sankat Mochan temple and Baba Vishwanath temple. These are very famous places in Varanasi. Varanasi is also famous for Banaras Hindu University. It is also called BHU. It is a center of education which was founded by Madan Mohan Malviya, and now it is famous all over the India. Students from different places go to Varanasi to study. Then Raman asks, have you ever bathed in Ganga? Then they say that I have bathed in Ganga several times, and Mukesh had also gone with me to visit Varanasi. He also took a bath in the Ganga. And Mukesh confirms it. Then Raman says that I'll make a plan, and Abhishek accepts it and suggests him to come when he is present there, and he will be host there. That time he asks Raman that to Raman where is his native land, and Raman says he is also from Patna. Then they become very glad to meet each other, and he knows that Raman knows, Mukesh knows about Raman, that where he lives, and Mukesh says that I know well, I have gone there several times to his residence. And Abhishek says that I am very lucky or fortunate to have a friend, and at last they thank each other. Okay, so I also thank you and end this very chapter introducing a new friend. Thanks.